Hey there. Today I'm going to show you how you can use a tool called Attributor to capture UTM parameters in your Webflow forms so you know where all your leads and customers are coming from. Let's jump in. Attributor is a small bit of code that you add to your website. When a visitor lands on your site, it detects where they came from and saves the data in a cookie. Then when they complete a form on your website, it writes the data into the hidden fields on the form. And finally, when the form is submitted, this data is captured and can be sent to your CRM and various other tools. There are a number of benefits to using Attributor. Firstly, Attributor passes through data on visitors from all channels, including organic search, organic social, etc. So you'll know where all your leads are coming from, not just those from your paid ad campaigns. Secondly, Attributor remembers the data as visitors browse around your site. So no matter what page they complete the form on, the UTM parameters will always be captured. Thirdly, Attributor cleans the data as well. So even if some of your ads were tagged with UTM source equals Google and others were tagged with UTM source equals AdWords, Attributor would assign them to the paid search channel regardless. Now that you understand how it works, let's see how easy it is to set up. When you sign up for a free trial, you'll get given a bit of code to add to your website. Simply copy it, go to the settings section of your Webflow website, select the custom code option and paste it into the box. Now go to the form you want Attributor to work with. You need to drag and drop an embed block into the form just above the submit button and then add the code you get from the Attributor help doc. That's it, you're done. Now when someone completes a form on your website, Attributor will write information on where they came from into these hidden fields, and it will be captured by Webflow forms. You can then include this information in your lead notification emails, store it in a spreadsheet, send it to your CRM, whatever you need. To learn more and start a free trial, visit attributor.io.